Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial from Trust Stanley at TS Tech Talks video. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to promote your Facebook page for free without making payment for advert. But actually you could get tons of view and tons of attention from advert, but having an organic likes and followers on your Facebook page actually helps you and your page or whatever business you run to grow faster. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do that, and this might not be a one video, it might be a two video series. That it will get a bit longer than expected. So guys, let's dive in. Go ahead and open your Facebook page. Let me show you how my Facebook page look like. Now this is TS Tech Talk, the most active page and the most used page on my application so far. So once I click on my Facebook page, you can notice I do make posts and I don't think I miss too much of posts. You can notice the last time I uploaded a video, right? And you can notice what date it is, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys tips on how to get your Facebook page looking good. And if you notice, I got a lot of notification on my notification section, and I got people following me. Like every day I have people following me. So if I'm able to get 10 followers on my page, I think I'm actually satisfied with that. And you can notice I got like 4 likes on the page also. And if you notice, I'm getting tons of messages as well. So guys, I'm going to show you how to actually make your Facebook very lively so that you'll be getting a lot of messages and you'll be getting a lot of followers. If not very active, but mostly active. So guys, let's dive into getting more followers and likes to the page. And before I get to that, let me show you guys how many followers I have in total. Now click on more to view yours. Click on Insight to check the activities. Scroll a little bit down to this section and you can notice I have 1074 likes on the page, right? But most times the likes is actually bigger than the followers. And if you notice below, it says 1.1k and other people liked my page, right? So it's similar to what you get. And if you click on see more insights of that particular like, you can still get to see the total page likes that actually liked it. And you can see how many people that added so far. Within 28 days, I have 100 plus like on my page, which is actually a good growth. And if you notice where the likes are coming from, these are actually the cities where they're actually coming from. And if I click on the country, you can see where the likes are also coming from. Nigeria is top, Philippines is second, Indonesia is next, and India, and then Pakistan. So if you want to see more, you can click on more of that. But guys, let's dive into today's video and let me show you guys how to actually boost your page and get it top without paying any money for advertising. So first of all you need to do is to create a unique channel page. What a unique channel page does is it gives your page access to easily to be located anywhere. For instance, if you are to search for your page on the menu, let me say I was going to search for my Facebook page, or I give somebody my Facebook page to search for, and I can tell them that it's actually TS Tech Talk, so they can type facebook.com and then slash adding TS Tech Talk, and they will be able to discover it. So TS Tech Talk 1, click on that and wait for it to load. So there it is, TS Tech Talk displays, very easy. And if you notice, my likes and followers still displayed and my content. So if somebody can easily get to you on Facebook without having to search so much, it actually very good for your channel to grow easily. So you can easily put the channel page name, you can put the page name on the flyers, you can put it on a design, you can put it anywhere online so that people can easily access it. And then the next tip you actually get in having more view is actually uploading or posting more constantly on your Facebook page. For instance, if I am not making my posts very regular, Facebook would not be able to recommend any of my posts to people. And if you notice on my post. I have been making a regular post, and the last post I made is March 14th, which is not very far from when I was making this video. And actually, I delayed in posting the more of the video because I already have videos scheduled. So most of the videos are probably posting automatically on their own, which is also very good practice when you schedule videos and posts to upload on their own. And the next tip, guys, after having your Facebook page, the next thing is important for you to do is actually using this guy right here, inviting people through your Facebook friends and also through WhatsApp. Once you click on this invite, you can easily get to invite a lot of people from your friends group, which are not already who don't already like the page yet. But if any of your friends here already like the page, Facebook is actually going to show that, and they will tell you that you won't be able to invite this person because the person already liked the page. But if you notice anybody not liking the page, you can go ahead and invite them. And you can also use your WhatsApp invite option to invite people.